All about kitchen tools. Your guide to culinary vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series. Today, we're going to step into the heart of the home, the kitchen. We'll be diving into a delicious topic: common kitchen tools. This will not only help you expand your vocabulary but will also aid you when you're following English recipes or just discussing cooking in general. Let's start our culinary journey. First up, let's talk about cutting tools. These are tools you use to cut, slice, chop, or dice food. 1. Knife. This is your primary tool for cutting. There are many types, like the chef's knife, bread knife, or paring knife. 2. Cutting board. This is where you place the food to be cut. It helps protect your counters and makes cutting safer. 3. Peeler. This tool helps remove the skin from fruits and vegetables. 4. Grater. This tool is used for shredding cheese, vegetables, and other food items into small pieces. Next, let's dive into mixing tools. These are used to combine food ingredients together. 1. Mixing bowl. This is a large bowl where ingredients are mixed together. 2. Whisk. A tool used to beat and mix ingredients. It's great for making things like scrambled eggs or whipping cream. 3. Spatula. A versatile tool, used not only for mixing but also for flipping and scraping. It can be made from plastic, rubber, or metal. Lastly, we'll look at cooking tools. These are used when heating your food on the stove or in the oven. 1. Pan. A flat-bottomed tool used for frying, searing, and browning food. 2. Pot. A deep, round vessel, perfect for boiling, stewing, or making soup. 3. Baking tray. This is what you use when baking in the oven. It's perfect for things like cookies and roasted vegetables. 4. Oven mitts. Safety first. These are used to protect your hands when handling hot pots, pans, or trays. That's a wrap on our kitchen tools lesson. We've covered a wide range of tools, from cutting to mixing and cooking tools. Remember, the best way to learn these words is by using them in your everyday life. So next time you're in the kitchen, try to name each tool you use in English. We hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more English vocabulary. Happy learning, and happy cooking!